Hello guys, welcome back to CyberTechMates, and this is Vicky from CyberTechMates. In this tutorial we will be seeing about these input functions. Okay, let us take a variable and just type input and let us print a. Okay, uh, just I am typing letters characters. It will be a printing. If I am typing numbers, it all will be also printing. If I am writing some floats, it will be also printing. Suppose if I write everything in the combination, does it print? You can think, yeah, it can print, because this input, normally if you are giving an input, this will be an string. Let us say print. Let us check what is this type. Okay, type of data type. It is a string class, so it is a string. So we need to assign or change this into a, you need to change it as an integer or something. We can do like b is equal to int of a, and we can print the type of b. It will be changed. Let us I'm just look. It is first it is in class, after that it is in integer. So this process is a long process. So for that we will be taking variable and we will be assigning int of input. Okay, and b equal to float of input, and c is equal to, we can assign string, or we can just use input itself for a string. And let us just type type of a. Okay, and type of b, and type of c. Okay, let us put these things here. If you are, suppose if you are assigned an integer and you are just typing some characters, means it won't accept. Okay, because it's due to base 10. Suppose I am using 120.0 1.0, means it won't be accepted because it is a string conversion. Now let us do 15.02 or some characters, Python something. So it is an int, it is a float, it is a string, everything is accepted. So these are the input methods you can be using in these functions. Okay, in next tutorial we will be seeing if functions. Okay.